Okay, boys and girls, here we go. Everybody has signed up?
Yeah.
We have all different names. Who's right? Radioactive Kiwi. Okay. Who's Crazy X? Nobody is. Baby Lizard?
This guy is crazy.
I bet that's
Crazy
Vanessa.
X? Oh, that's Marvin? Okay. All right, so
I'm
here we
Dr.
go.
Peach.
I am the amazing soda.
I'm
the potato
Mom
chip.
Candy.
You're the potato chip.
All right. We are going to learn about number patterns today. So let's look up here. It looks difficult, but it is not that hard. You already know how to do coordinate plane. So it says, what rule completes the input-output table? Oh, it's working. I'm so glad. Okay. So let's look over here at the table. It says input is 35, output is 7.
5.
5.
5.
Okay, you say it's 5.
And then the next one is
I need my marker.
You think the next one's
Why
5?
do you have an extra marker?
Why would you say that?
because 13 times 5 is 15. 5 and then carry your 1.
Are you sure?
Wait, Miss Green, is it like a pattern?
Yeah, we're looking for patterns. 13
Oh.
times 5.
15.
15, carry my 1.
Yeah.
5 times 1.
5, and then 6.
Okay, 65, so you say 5.
And then that's 5 because 5 times, yeah.
Okay, but you said, what is it? You said 20.
Times 5.
Oh, times 5.
Yeah.
Okay, so 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 100.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 5 as well. But you said that it's something else. You said something else.
It's multiplied by 5.
Oh, it's multiply by 5. So it's multiply. So actually, hold on. We multiply over here, right?
Yeah.
We have 5 here, 5 here, and 5 here. And we multiply these numbers to get this number. So what do we do with this number with the 5 to get that number?
Divide.
Anybody else? Does everybody agree with Kinsey?
Yes.
Kinsey agreed.
Okay. That's fine. We divide. Okay, so we divide. So it says, what rule completes the input-output table?
Divide by 5 then multiply.
All right, let's see. Let's see if we've got it. Oh, let me erase all of our beautiful.
Which one goes first?
So what do we do?
Oh, yeah.
So what did we? A is plus 15. B is multiply by 5. C is minus subtract 10. And D is divide by 5. We've got 9 answers on the board.
I clicked the wrong one.
You mean 14
I know.
answers?
I think.
It's probably
14 answers. We need 4 more.
Oh.
4 more answers.
Well,
We
it's
need
like, which
3
one do you
more.
do first?
We need 2 more.
Wait, heck,
We need 1 more.
I got it wrong.
You got it wrong?
Yes.
I accidentally clicked the wrong.
You accidentally did? Oh. All right, we're waiting for 1 more person. Who is it?
Oh no.
Who is it?
All right,
I
here
got
we
it
go.
all correct.
Let's see the answer breakdown.
Yes, I got it
All right.
Right.
So 8 of you said it was B, 9 of you said it was D, and 1 said it was A. Let's go back to the question. Let's review the question.
Hey.
Jesus.
Did you put A?
All right. It says, what rule completes the output table? Right here we said 5, right? You
Mhm.
each said 5. But what we're looking for is this number. What by 5 equals 7? What are we looking for?
Bye.
Divided by. Okay, divided by. Divided by.
You said 5.
So it's divide by 5. Well, there's another way to look
It's
at
whichever
that.
one comes first.
It's whichever one comes first. Okay? So it's divide.
Oh, so if the 7 was in the place of 35, then it would be
multiplying?
Yes,
Oh.
exactly. Okay. All right. So let's move on.
If it wasn't so young, you would be correct.
Ooh, this is working today. All right. So we saw the. All right. Let's see our.
Oh, I'm in first.
All right. Crazy soda, amazing soda is first. Baby lizard, baby star,
I should have
crazy
chose
X,
crazy soda.
human duck. All right. You ready for the next question?
Human duck.
Human duck. Consider the two patterns described below. Which of the following shows the two patterns? All right. I don't know how to get this to go up. There we go. Okay. So the pattern of X is add 3, Y multiply by 3. So if we add 3 and 0, what do we get?
3.
3. If we add 3, oh, it does. This one is add by 3. What does the next one say?
Multiply.
Multiply by 3. So 3 times 1 is
3.
3. So if we were following this pattern and I added 3 to this one, what would that be?
3.
X equals 0.
3 plus 3 equals what?
6.
And how about down here? If I follow this one,
It would be 9.
it would be 3 times 3 equals 9.
Every time someone says 3 plus 2, I have to do 3 times 3.
You do?
Same.
And then I get it wrong because I think it's 9 because it's 3 times 3. But in reality, it's 3 plus 3.
3 plus 3. Okay. All right. Well, that's good that you know that, and then you can be on the lookout for that. All right. Let's see.
What the
All
heck?
right. Hang on. I don't have all the answers here.
Oh, I see. It's saying which one follows it.
I don't know how to. I have to do it from my computer.
What?
Let me move it from my computer.
I got it. I'm pretty sure.
All
Wait.
right. So here are the answers. We're gonna have to look at them a little bit at a time.
I think I know.
So it was plus 3 and multiply by 3. So if we did plus 3 and multiply, so for X, make sure that it goes up plus 3 each time. Does it go up plus 3 each time?
Yeah.
Okay, now you look at Y. Does it go up times 3 each time?
Yes.
1
Yes.
times 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 6.
3.
Okay.
Oh no.
All right, let's look at B. We can only look at a couple at a time. Let's look at this one. Ready?
I did it wrong.
Don't make your choices yet. Remember, that's the rule. You don't make your choice until we go through them all. So we have 0 plus 3 is 3. Is that correct?
Yes.
3 plus 3 is 6.
Yes.
6 plus 3 is 9.
Yes.
9 plus 3 is
Yes.
12.
Yes.
Okay, so Adriana, you're pretty adamant that that one's correct. Let's look at Y. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9.
No.
Yes, it is.
Yes, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is
Oh,
27.
Yeah.
27 times 3 is 81. Do you know that one off the top of your head?
No.
All right, so let's do it. 27.
Yes.
Jesus.
Yaciel, 3 times 7.
21.
Carry my 2. 3 times 2.
6.
Plus 2.
8.
81. Is that okay? So that one works, correct?
That's a contender.
That's a contender. Good job, Yaciel. That is a contender. All right, let's look. Let me pull my screen up a little bit higher so we can see C and D.
Mm.
All right, C and D.
Uh-oh.
Ignore the highlighting parts. It's just where the mouse goes. All right, so let's do this one. You know what I'm going to do, boys and girls? This might be easy for you to do if you write the rule down. The first one was plus 3, and the second one was multiply by 3. It helps me.
It's the other way around.
It's the other way around.
X is times Y is plus, right?
Not in the beginning.
Oh, it's just that one's wrong.
What's the matter, Adriana? Adriana, you're in one. Which one?
Another one.
All right, here we go. 1 plus 3 is 3. Is that correct? 1 plus 3 is 3. Is that correct?
No.
No. So that just we can eliminate this one right off the bat. All right, so let's look at D.
That's great.
1 times 3 is 3.
No.
Yes.
No, that's
Oh, it's plus. We're adding. I'm
Oh,
sorry. Yeah,
yeah.
remember we're adding. So 1 plus 3 is,
6.
that's wrong too.
I mean,
So
4.
which one is our correct answer?
B.
All right. Hang on, let me get rid of all our marks
Yeah, Kinsey.
and let me.
It is not my fault.
I basically told you.
You still clicked the wrong one. Yeah, I know which one comes first. And then I said no, Hector, you still good.
Not just say, wait for B.
Not in the beginning. Choose.
All right, we need 4 more answers. 4 more answers.
I think the second one.
Two more answers.
Come on, Gabriel.
Gabriel, did you not answer yet?
Yes.
I got it correct.
Oh, yay!
Miss
All right,
Green,
let's see.
Kinsey got it.
All right, very good. Look at that. Very good. We picked B. The pattern was plus 3 and times 3. Very good.
There was only 3 of us. Which means there's only 3 of us.
No, there's one person.
Exactly. Only one person got it right and one
No,
person
I-
got it wrong.
I bet you have to like scare.
No, 2 people got it wrong. Everybody else got it right. But
Miss Green, can I get?
yes. All right, so let's see. Oh, here we go. Baby Lizard is in first. Baby Star is in second. Crazy X,
I'm an 8.
third place. Loco Ghost is not far behind. How do you feel about number patterns?
Good.
They're good.
They're pretty good.
Whenever you
They're
work it
gonna get a
out.
little bit more complicated when we start doing coordinate
No,
planes
don't say
and number patterns.
Don't say that.
Yeah, no.
All right, consider the 2 patterns described below. Okay, so multiply by 2 and multiply by 3. That's our starting number.
Okay.
Which of the following graphs show the 2 patterns? What's my key words here?
2.
2. Are we looking for 1?
No.
No, we're looking for 2. We're looking for both of them. Okay, so we're multiplying by 2. Make sure when you look, you're looking at the keywords over here too. Multiply and multiply by 2 and by 3.
Miss Green,
Yes.
if you put them together as a fraction, it'd be 2/3.
Very good, Adriana. Yes, but don't do that because that would give you the wrong answer. All right, let's see. How do I bring this up and down? Not that way.
It's
You used
good.
a little
It's
size.
over here.
Just like a
there.
little scroll on my desktop.
Okay.
All right, which
I
of the
think it's my
following
hair
graphs
went
show
out.
the 2 patterns?
So you have to click up.
Multiply by 2, multiply by 3. Let's start with P and Q.
Okay.
And I'm going to write this right over on the side. The first one is multiply by 2 and multiply by 3. Okay? So we're going to look on the y-axis and the x-axis. Remember, which comes first?
X.
X always comes first. The x-axis always comes first. What comes second?
Oh, this is easy.
The y. Kinsey, you think you got it?
Well, no, it's like I think it's easier.
You think this is easier? Okay.
I got it. I got the answer.
You got it? Well, don't choose it yet. We're gonna walk through it. All right. So the rule is times 2 times 3. So it would be our coordinate pair would be 2 and 3. So do we start on 2 here, and do we go up to 3?
And there's nothing there.
And there's nothing there. So is this correct? Woo!
No.
No, not correct.
I think I got the answer.
All right. Let's look
Same.
over here. Did we start at 1 anywhere?
No.
No, we didn't because it was
They
0.
trying to trick us.
It was 0. They're trying to trick us. So we know right away that one's wrong.
What?
Woo.
Oh,
Because there was a
It's
1.
either.
those are wrong too then.
No. Just wait.
Come on, Hector. It's like she scrolls
Hold on,
down.
Hector.
Oh, those 2 are wrong.
Wait a minute here. Let's look.
I think it was cute.